The perfect 3-day weekend in Denver. Here's what to do, where to stay, and what to eat on a long weekend in Denver. Say what you want about Denver of yesteryear, a cow town stuck in its gold mining roots, where tumbleweeds were more animated than its culture. But since the mid-1990s, an expanding tech industry and work-from-anywhere gig economy jobs have attracted new residents to this city at the edge of the Rocky Mountains. Denver has emerged as a vibrant, marijuana and LGBTQ-friendly city with a health-conscious populace that thrives on its work hard, play hard ethos. The city is known for having a sunny and dry climate, especially between May and October. As for those tumbleweeds, they've blown away, and the mile-high city streets are now lined with excellent restaurants, breweries and distilleries, museums, and professional sports stadiums. Here's how to spend the perfect 3-day weekend in Denver. Day 1. If you're arriving at Denver International Airport, hop onto the A line to get downtown, which costs around $10 per person and takes about 35 minutes. Get off at the 38th and Blake Street station, where you can walk or Uber to the Source Hotel. Located in the Hip River North Art District, Rhino, the industrial chic property is an ideal launchpad to explore the former manufacturing district. Within steps of your guest room, you'll find street art, cideries, craft studios, dozens of art galleries, and live music venues like the 3,000-seat Mission Ballroom. You won't have to go far from the hotel to dig into Reno's great shopping and food scene either. The property is also home to the Source Market, an 1880s foundry-turned-market hall with over 25 food and retail vendors across 2 buildings. At sunset, head to the hotel's rooftop bar, The Woods, which offers more than 20 craft beers on tap and a view of the city. For dinner, drop by Safta, a brilliant homage to the Middle East's culinary landscape by James Beard award-winning chef Alon Shea. Wood-fired pita, baked just a few steps away from the table, soaks up the flavors of Israel, Yemen, Syria, Morocco, Turkey, Palestine, and Greece. Day 2. After a cappuccino and bruleed grapefruit or breakfast burrito at Reno's Crema Coffee House on Larimer, head downtown to shop some of the best independent and cult favorite brands at Free Market, a collective of boutiques, bars, restaurants, and services. On the same block, you'll find the celebrated Denver Milk Market Food Hall, where you can grab lunch from vendors offering everything from fried chicken to poke bowls. In the afternoon, do as Coloradans do and get moving. Denver has more than 850 paved trails that can be explored by bike. Mile High Bike Tours offers rentals and guided rides. Try the Cherry Creek Bike Trail, a 40-mile route that starts at Confluence Park and connects to Cherry Creek State Park. A popular spot for hiking, biking, and birding. End your adventure in Denver's Golden Triangle Creative District, home to the Denver Art Museum, the Denver Public Library, the Kirkland Museum of Fine and Decorative Art, and the History Colorado Center. For dinner, head to Denver's best Italian restaurant, Tavernetta, helmed by the James Beard award-winning team behind Frasca Food and Wine, located in nearby Boulder. You can't go wrong with anything on the seasonally changing menu, but if you can, try the Carpaccio alla Cipriani, bucatini with pepini pesto, and the branzino with tomato, orange, and fennel. Day 3. Part of the beauty of Denver is its easy access to the mountains and nature. Travelers can rent an electric car and head west for about 20 minutes to Colorado's landmark music venue, Red Rocks Amphitheater, which bills itself as the only naturally occurring, acoustically perfect amphitheater in the world. Seeing a concert here is one of the best things to do in Denver, but you can also admire the iconic rock formations by hiking the 1.4-mile Trading Post Trail, explore further by driving along the Mount Blue Sky Scenic Byway, the highest paved road in North America. The route winds its way to the summit of Mount Blue Sky, one of 54 peaks in Colorado rising to 14,000 feet or more. The road is generally open between Memorial Day and Labor Day, and you'll need to reserve a time slot in advance. Four-wheel drive isn't required, but you should be prepared for thinner air at the top. On the way, stop at the Walter Pessman Trail for a wildflower hike full of rare flowers and centuries-old bristlecone pine trees. Be sure to bring a day pack with food, water, and an extra layer. The Rocky Mountain weather can change on a dime. if you have more time, head 71 miles north to Rocky Mountain National Park, one of Colorado's best national parks. Here, you'll find hundreds of miles of hiking trails as well as lakes, waterfalls, wildlife, and horseback riding. Return to the city in time for a cozy and delicious dinner at Union Station, an exciting dining hub in downtown Denver's revitalized landmark railway station. Inside, you'll find Ultria, a Spanish pink sauce restaurant led by James Beard award-winning chef Jennifer Jasinski, where you can cap off your Denver weekend with cocktails and sharing plates like bacon-wrapped dates, pan con tomate, blistered shishito peppers, and charcuterie.